Hey guys, so we are gonna smash a Honda Fit. It's in my car right now. It's there. And then we're gonna wait until this thing moves. So let's just wait. We're gonna go to my second floor. So just stick around. Guys, they're gonna smash it. They're gonna smash it. They're gonna smash it. Oh!
What was that? Where did it go?
Okay. Now let's get the car back. Let's get the car. Where's the car? Oh, what happened? What happened?
Nothing.
Nothing happened, bro. Nothing happened.
So?
Nothing happened, bro.
How did that? How?
So guys, subscribe if you want to see part 2. It's coming after tomorrow. Okay, maybe today. So bye.